How to find someone on Cash App. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can find someone on Cash App. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Cash App on your device. Now once you're on the home page, tap on the magnifying glass icon or search icon at the bottom right corner. That will navigate you to the search bar. Now tap on the search bar at the top of this interface, and here you have to type in the person's cashtag, phone number or the email address. Then tap on search. And after that, once you locate the person, you can tap on their profile to view their details and verify that it's the correct person. And then tap on add or invite button if they're not already in your contacts. If they are a new user, they will receive an invite to join Cash App. If you wish to interact with them immediately, tap the pay button and send a small amount to confirm the connection. Now enable Cash App access to your phone contacts by going to the settings, and from their privacy and toggling the contacts option, they will automatically display any of your contacts using the Cash App. So in that way, you can find someone and add them on the Cash App. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.